Hey you. Yeah, you. How much thought do you put into drawing your hot manga boy's nose? None? Yeah, I could tell. Your hot manga boy has to look like Voldemort no longer. First, draw up a face. I'll post a tutorial for that in the future if anyone is interested, and if no one is, I'm still going to post it because those bills don't pay themselves. I'll have lots of lazy artist hacks for all you lazy artists, so be sure to give it a watch. Now let's get to work on this beautiful specimen. To draw a nose from the front, draw a very slightly curved line. It should be mostly straight, but always choose a direction to draw it from. Draw another slightly curved dash beneath it for the tip and another one for the nostril. Remember that the nose sits above the curve of the jaw. Draw a teardrop shape on one side of the nose. You can use your own tears for reference like I did. This is to give the illusion of depth. Shade a triangle underneath the nose for depth as well. This teardrop shape is also a good guideline for shading. The area is usually lighter or darker based on where your light source is coming from. I'm going to add another layer and do some lighting. And there you have it, a nose from the front angle. Think of it as a distorted L shape. For reference, I'll also do a side angle. I like to break it up by drawing 3 quick curved lines, almost like a zigzag. Then at the end, I slightly round the tip of the nose. Shade a little triangle underneath and you're done. If you want to add lighting or shading, this is what it'd look like from this angle. Don't forget to make your own artistic liberties to suit your style. Please like and subscribe if this tutorial helped and enjoy this other video. I'll see you there.